Welcome friends for BA third year. I will deal with skill enhancement course. As you know, from second year, university had introduced a course that is called skill enhancement course to enhance skill among the students. For each and every core elective, skill enhancement courses has been introduced throughout each and every college affiliated to SRT University Nanded. For optional English students, skill enhancement course has been introduced at second year level, and you have studied last year skills for employability. For third year, we have a skill enhancement course that is life skills. Life skills for BA third year. Title of the course is Life Skills. It is applicable for third year. Not only the student of BA stream, but the students of BCom BSc third year can also register for this course. You know better that there is a basic difference. If a regular course has been given 4 classes in a week, skill enhancement course has been given 3 classes or 3 lectures in a week. There are 3 lectures in a week for skill enhancement course, that is life skills. Apart from these 3 lectures or 3 classroom teachings, there are 25 marks for continuous assessment, that is CA, and 25 marks are given for theory. So, during each semester, 50 marks, that is 2 credits, has been given for skill enhancement course. As usual, no theory exam of 50 marks can be conducted per semester. You have to complete CA or continuous assessment of 25 marks during semester 5th, and at the end semester exam which combines theory and practical, or you can say there are interviews, there are presentations. 50 marks exam will be conducted at end of the semester, that is at the end of 6th semester. Since you have studied last year, you have studied skill enhancement course, you know better. Here I will deal with skill enhancement course for third year, Remaining two papers will be taught, remaining two papers will be dealt by our, one of them is our head of department, Mr. Mogekar, and another one, Mr. Sagar RH. They will deal with remaining two papers and I will deal with skill enhancement course. The purpose of the university is too clear, too inspiring one, that a student should learn at least some skill during his degree process, during the completion of his degree. So, skill enhancement courses has been introduced, has been prescribed for the study. This is my request to you that learn all these skills which are related to life itself. You know, in the scenario of higher education in India, there is always a cry that these traditional subjects gives us only theoretical knowledge. However, degree holders are unemployed everywhere. Hence, they should learn some skill so that when they will pass out and when they will go in the society, they may earn their bread and butter using these skills. The syllabus prescribed for skill enhancement course is very rich, content is beautiful, and you will definitely be satisfied with it. I will give you syllabus, and as the guidelines has been given to us by university as well as by the head of the institution, that from 1st August our online classes can be conducted. This is my request to you, that mere videos will not fulfill our purpose. We have to conduct meetings also. Hence, every student have to download an app, that is Zoom app. So, through this Zoom app, we can conduct our meeting. We will come in contact and I will try to solve your questions, all the queries which you feel. I will send you syllabus, read it carefully. Within the time, we hope that everything will be okay and our regular classes can be conducted. No doubt it depends upon the upcoming condition of this pandemic called COVID-19. But up to that, we have to deal with online classes. This is an opportunity for us. No doubt this is a challenge also, because we know better that there are so many problems of net, problems of apps, running off it, but we have to go forth. Our stream of life should not be stopped, and hence again I request you, again I suggest you, download the necessary apps. These apps will help us to come in contact with each other. Tomorrow I will send you syllabus, and take in account that all these skills are closely associated with our life. Since you are the student of literature, you have studied dramas, poems, or for your PG programs also, these skills will definitely help you. As a living being in society, we have to enrich ourselves by learning certain skills. Tomorrow I will send you the copy of syllabus. Up to that, thank you.